Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. Today's video will be a tutorial on how to do an ombre lip look using Fenty Beauty colour Uncuffed and colour Unveil. So the first step to this look is using colour Uncuffed and covering the top and bottom lip as shown in the video. You then want to let the colour dry. So the second step of this look, you want to get colour Unveil and wipe some of it on to the side because it is quite a deep, dark, pigmented colour, so you don't want to end up using too much and spoiling the look. You then want to put the colour Unveil around the outer lip as shown in the video. I then use a cotton bud and blend this in. Some people use their fingers, some people use like an eyeshadow brush, but I prefer to use a cotton bud. Using the cotton bud, you then want to blend the colour Unveil around the outer lip. For this step, it's important to blend the colour before it dries because then it's a lot harder to create the ombre effect that you want to create. Once that's done, I go back in with the colour Uncuffed and put some on the top and bottom centre and some on the top and bottom sides. I then go in with a cotton bud and blend that out as well. Once that is done, then your look is complete and should look like this. That's it for today guys. I hope you liked this video and be sure to comment on any other looks that you want to see me create. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.